the 2025 Mazda CX-50, brought to you by Berge Mazda, features a bold and rugged exterior design, crafted for those who love to combine urban sophistication with off-road readiness. Its wide stance, muscular body lines, and aggressive front grille give it a commanding presence, while sleek LED headlights and taillights add a touch of modern elegance. Black cladding around the wheel arches and lower body enhances its rugged look, hinting at its capability for adventure. The roof rails and available 19-inch alloy wheels further accentuate the CX-50's robust yet refined appearance, making it stand out both in the city and on the trail. Mazda places a strong emphasis on safety in the CX-50, equipping it with a robust suite of standard driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert provide additional awareness in challenging driving situations. The advanced safety features work seamlessly to enhance driver confidence and provide peace of mind on every journey, whether navigating busy city streets or driving through remote locations. Convenience features in the Mazda CX-50 are designed to simplify your driving experience. Keyless entry and push-button start make it easy to get on the road quickly, while the hands-free power liftgate is especially useful when loading or unloading cargo. The spacious cargo area and numerous storage compartments throughout the cabin offer practical solutions for carrying gear and personal items. Dual-zone automatic climate control ensures that both the driver and passengers can enjoy personalized comfort, no matter the weather outside. Under the hood, the Mazda CX-50 is powered by a 2.5-liter Sky-Activ G engine, producing 187 horsepower and 186 pound-foot of torque. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, it offers smooth and responsive acceleration. The iActive all-wheel drive system is standard, ensuring optimal traction on a variety of surfaces, making it ideal for both daily commuting and weekend off-road adventures. Mazda's signature driving dynamics, combined with a well-tuned suspension, provide an engaging driving experience, with precise handling and a balanced ride that excels in both urban environments and on rugged terrain. The back seats of the Mazda CX-50 are spacious and comfortable, making it a great option for families or groups of friends. The rear seats provide ample legroom and headroom, ensuring comfort even on longer journeys. The 60/40 split-folding design offers flexibility, allowing for easy expansion of the cargo space when larger items need to be transported. The supportive seating and thoughtful design extend to the rear cabin, where rear passengers can enjoy additional amenities like rear air vents and USB charging ports for enhanced convenience. The Mazda CX-50 comes equipped with a range of advanced technology to keep drivers connected and entertained. The center console features a large, high-resolution touchscreen with Mazda's Connect infotainment system, offering seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing quick access to music, navigation, and apps. A premium sound system is available for those seeking an upgraded audio experience, while additional tech features like a wireless charging pad and a Wi-Fi hotspot further enhance connectivity on the go. Inside, the CX-50 boasts a refined and thoughtfully designed cabin, with high-quality materials and a minimalist yet stylish aesthetic. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused, with controls intuitively placed for ease of use. Soft touch materials and available leatherette upholstery elevate the interior's premium feel. The seats are well cushioned, offering both comfort and support, making the CX-50 ideal for both short commutes and longer trips. With plenty of headroom and legroom and an airy feel enhanced by an available panoramic sunroof, the cabin provides a pleasant and spacious environment for all occupants. The 2025 Mazda CX-50 is a versatile and well-rounded SUV that combines bold design, refined comfort, and capable performance. With its rugged exterior, powerful engine, and advanced technology, it offers both excitement and practicality for drivers who enjoy a mix of city life and outdoor adventures. Its spacious and comfortable interior, paired with a comprehensive suite of safety and convenience features, makes it an excellent choice for families, weekend explorers, and anyone seeking a confident and stylish SUV. Whether you're commuting in the city or heading off the beaten path, the CX-50 is ready for the journey. Visit us at bergemazda.com or call us at 480-498-5614.